Hey y'all, so I bought something. I really try not to buy stuff. Usually when I do buy something, it was spur of the moment, something that I didn't really think about. And usually I'm sorry. Because honestly, if I would have thought about it for just a few minutes, I probably wouldn't have got my credit card out. I wouldn't have done it. But since I did do it, I thought I would come on and share how that turned out. And so in today's episode of What Did Amelia Buy? I'm talking about John Dykstra's residual blog profits thing. I'm just going to go to my computer really quick. It's this guy. It's the Residual Display Ads Profits course. So how did this happen? Well, darn it all, John Dykstra in his email marketing mastery sent me an email. He said he was offering a bunch of stuff that was 50% off, and goodness knows I love a deal. So I went over there, got out my credit card, spent $23.50 on residual display ad profits. I think the lure for this particular info product or course or whatever it is was that he doesn't really tell you what it is. So there's a bit of risk going on. Like, am I going to get my money's worth? I have no idea. I have no idea what this is. Oh my goodness, look at the lighting here. It looks like I've got some paint on my face. Maybe it's time to invest, or maybe I should only record videos in the day when I can get some natural light in here. I digress. Anyway, so John's email got me on October 28th of this year, and that's 2019. So I got the course and opened it up, and it turned out it was something very simple. And this was not misrepresented to me in any way. In the sales page or the sales information about this, John just straight up says, this is something that's really simple, and there really isn't a lot in this course, in this product. It's just some information I think of as valuable, and I'm going to sell it to you if you are willing to buy it. And so what did I spend? John is charging $47 a year for access to it, and I got it for 50% off, so I spent $23.50. And that was on October 28th. I got it, and yes, it was really simple. And at first I was like, is that all there is? Like, really? But I pushed that aside. I said, okay, this is some information I did not know, and for me it has value, because if I hadn't had this information, I wouldn't be able to implement this technique. And no, I'm not going to tell you what it is, because that would be a total douche move. But I will say that I implemented the technique on October 29th of 2019, and it took about 3 weeks to get to a place where I could monetize this technique. And as of today, December 19th, I have made my money back. And going forward, I will continue to earn money. And month on month, I expect the money that I earn to grow. So was it a good idea? I have to say honestly that I was skeptical at the time I got my credit card out, and I was skeptical when I opened up the course and saw what was inside of it. But the truth is, the course was information that I didn't know, and I implemented it right away, and I made all of my money back. And I'm going to continue making money. Would I recommend residual display ad profits, or whatever this course is called, to you? I would say that if you are a website operator or owner who has a lot of traffic coming through your site, this is a good one for you to check out, presuming that you're not already monetizing your site in this manner. If you are a small site, or a site that is just in the beginning stages of growth, it will be hard to monetize this technique. But I do think, given what it is, that it would be a good idea to go ahead and jump on it and get started, because it is something that compounds over time and builds over time, just like anything that you do online. The sooner you get in, the sooner you start working on it and implementing it, the sooner you will be able to monetize and benefit from it. So all in all, good experience, good idea, 2 thumbs up. Did it blow the doors off? No, but little stuff like this doesn't need to. I'm trying to get better about investing in myself and investing in valuable information. And truthfully, the hardest part about this is we're buying it off the internet, right? And we have to trust that the people that we are giving our money to are actually providing us with something of value. I've bought stuff from John Dykstra before, so I trust for the most part that what he's selling is valuable. And no, I'm not an affiliate. I get paid nothing to record this video or to post it with myself looking like I have like these weird painted shadows on my face. I will say that this technique has an affiliate program, so I can refer people to it and earn money. But not for a while. I'll give John a chance to earn as much money as he can, because I don't want to be a jerk. Be the one who reveals, like, the big reveal. As always, before you go, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think or what you're working on. I love hearing about your websites and your projects. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.